Welcome to e-Semplice, where music theory is simplified. This is a grade 3 music theory video considering triads. To aid comprehension, please see our videos on writing accidentals on triads and our video on triads and inversions. We shall consider examination questions from Muson examination May 2020 and Muson examination November 2018. This question is from Muson exam May 2020, and the question says, write the triads named below, prefix key signatures. Let's resolve this question together. The first one is A flat major first inversion. A flat major. The notes in A flat major scale, the degrees of the scale, the tonic, the third, and the fifth. As usual, stack. When you stack it, you will be having A major triad, but root position. We are being asked to write A flat major triad first inversion. So that means the root has to go up, and then we will now have our first inversion. C is now at the base, so we'll be having C, E flat, and A flat. But the question says we need to prefix key signature. So the first thing is to write the key signature of A flat major. B flat first, E flat, A flat, and D flat. Let's now stack our first inversion triad. So C first, E flat, A flat. So we are done with that. Let's move to the next one, which is F sharp minor, first inversion. The notes in F sharp minor scale, the degrees of the scale, the seventh note has to be raised, then the tonic, the third, and the fifth. Stack, you have root position. We are actually looking for first inversion. So F sharp goes up, and we now have first inversion. A, C sharp, and F. First, we prefix the key signature of F sharp minor. We'll be having F sharp first, C sharp, and G sharp. Let's stack our triads. A first, C sharp, F sharp. Let's move to C minor, second inversion. As usual, the seventh degree has to be raised. If you raise the seventh degree, it becomes ordinary B. The tonic, the third, the fifth, stack. You have root position as C, E flat, and G. Our question says second inversion. Now, if C goes up, E flat comes down, and it's first inversion. E flat goes up, G comes down. We now have what we are looking for, second inversion. But we need to prefix the key signature of C minor, and that is B flat, E flat, and A flat. Let's stack our second inversion triad. G first, C next, and E flat. Next is D major first inversion. As usual, stack. You have the root as D, F sharp, A, but we want first inversion. D goes up, we now have F sharp down. Let's write the key signature of D major. That is F sharp and C sharp. Let's stack our first inversion triad. F sharp first, A, then D. Let's move to the last one. E major root position. The normal process. Stack. You have E, G sharp, and B. But let's prefix the key signature of E major. We'll be having F sharp, C sharp, G sharp, and D sharp. Let's stack our root position triad. E first, G sharp next, B. This is how to resolve a question like this. Now we move to another question from Muson examination November 2018, and the question says add sharps or flats to make the tonic triads named below. Now let's start with B flat major. As usual, the normal process, so that you'll be able to know which of the notes will have a sharp or a flat, depending on the key given. So the tonic triad, so the first, the third, and the fifth stack. You'll see when you stack, B will have a flat, so just add a flat to B. The triad is already written, so this question is much more simpler than the previous one. Let's move to F major. Sorry, F minor, the usual thing. The minor key, raise the 7th degree, and then your tonic, third, and fifth. Stack. You have F, A flat, C. It's already given, so you are adding A flat to A. We are done with that. Let's move to G minor. Go through the normal process. It's a minor key. Raise the 7th degree, then the tonic, the 3rd, the 5th. Stack. You have G, B flat, D. So that means we are adding a flat to B. Next is C minor. The normal process. The minor key, raise the 7th degree, then the tonic, the 3rd, the 5th. Then you stack. You have C, E flat, and G. We are adding a flat on E. The last but not the least, A minor. The normal process. It's a minor key, raise the 7th degree, then circle the tonic, the 3rd, and the 5th. Stack. You have A, C, E. So we are not adding any accidental on that because none of the notes in A minor tonic triad has an accidental. So we are done with that. Best of luck in your examination. Kindly subscribe to e-Semplice YouTube channel. Hit the notification button. You'll be notified when new videos are posted. Many thanks for watching.